Welcome to 48-50 Wicklow Street, Unit 3, a delightful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condominium nestled in a 3-family home on a tranquil side street off Fellsway, just west of Malden Center. This charming unit is ideally situated north of Wellington Circle and the Wellington T Station, and it's only a mile and a half from Medford Square and the Middlesex Fells Reservation. This 1,347 square foot gem was renovated and converted into a condominium in 2013, offering a private entrance and a stunning kitchen renovation. The professionally landscaped grounds feature a common yard, barbecue grill, and ample space for gardening. The second-level bedroom is bathed in natural light with windows on 3 sides, and the full bathroom is on this level and includes a tile floor, fiberglass shower stall, and a stylish vanity. The kitchen features white cabinets, granite and butcher block countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a peninsula adorned with pendant lighting. Additional highlights include wood flooring, recessed and track lighting, a new electric convection oven with an induction range, and a spacious pantry closet. The kitchen seamlessly flows into the bright and airy living room, accentuated by cathedral ceilings and skylights. Modern comforts abound with mini-split AC units, newly installed insulation through the Mass Save program, Harvey thermopane windows, low-maintenance vinyl siding, and an architectural shingle roof. Completing this offering is deeded parking for 1 car in the paved driveway. Discover the perfect blend of charm and modern convenience at 48-50 Wicklow Street, Unit 3.